before I came down to the ridge today, I found these old clay targets in my basement, so I went ahead and brought them with me. I also brought some line chalk with me, some regular old masking tape. I'm going to fill up the divot there in the clay target, cover it with a little bit of tape like that, and we're going to make our own homemade, what do they call those, quote-unquote crusher targets, whatever. Let's just see if it works. I'm going to test it with a handgun, I'm going to test it with a shotgun, and you're going to see whether or not bringing this kind of stuff with you is going to be worth your time or not. So, let's do the handgun. Okay, I'm not real impressed with that. I think I might have hit that a little high, but either way, let's try the shotgun, see if we get a better result. Much happier with the shotgun. You can see the puff we got out of that there. I'm going to go ahead and set up another one for the shotgun and hit it from another angle. So here we go with that. Okay, I like that a lot. So you decide what your dollars are worth, whether or not you want to spend your money on, you know, professionally made crusher targets, or if you've got some lineman chalk and some masking tape, and just do it yourself. See you on the next video. Okay, the video's over. Get back to work. You've got stuff to do. You don't need to be hanging around here. But before you go, hey, how about hitting that thumbs up button? Or commenting below. I'd appreciate it.